Good morning everyone. I am Adi Sharma from BCA Aku for Sem B1 and we are here to discuss a topic CSS border and understanding and styling border in CSS. Then we are start introduction to borders. Border are used to define the boundary around HTML elements. They can enhance the appearance and emphasize content. CSS provide a variety of border style, width and colors to customize designs. Then second, basic syntax. The basic syntax to define a border is selector, border, include width, style, color. Examples: div borders 2px solid black. Border properties. CSS provide individual properties for detail control. Provide with define the thickness of the borders. Values: thin, medium, thick or custom values like 5px. Example: border width 3px. Border style: specify the pattern of the borders. Values: non-solid, dashed, dotted, double, etc. Example: border style dashed. Border color: set the color of the borders. Values: named color, hex, RGB, HCL, etc. Examples: border color red. Then next slide, shorthand property. Combine all property into a single line using the shorthand border. Example: फर्स्ट एक div लेंगे, border 5px dotted blue. This create a 5px wide dotted blue border around the div. Thank you, that's all.